Hello everybody, my name is Olga. I'm 66 years old. I live in America 14 years. Originally I'm from Russia. And today I want to share with you very important for me things in my life, what happened just now. This is my victory against Helicobacter pylori in my stomach. At first I would need tell that I had maybe 10 years stress. It was called de-stress, long period, long term. And this is stress, I guess, and another infection when we had on my life, had our life, start my health very bad. I start much time sick, much time in year. At first maybe in 3 months, then in 2 months, then in each month, and already in 2010 and 2011 I sick each month and maybe 2 times each week. And I understood that my immune system very low. But I took supplements, I took vitamins. It little bit helped me give energy, but not decide my problem. But the main my problem start in 2006. My stomach was sick, and I go to gastroenterologist. I had symptoms at the time. It was my awful taste, several years, awful taste in my mouth. White tongue, very sickness, my throat, my ear, my nose, very often flu. I had reaction for after trip, any trip. I was sick everywhere. Here I was sick after trip, there after I was sick after when I go. And 2006 they start check my stomach. They check my stomach and find out find gastritis, find reflux esophagus, find Helicobacter pylori. I had treatment. It was antibiotic, a very strong antibiotic, 2 kinds. And some period it was not bad, but then it came back again. After a year, it seems to me, in my back start cancer. I had spot on back. I didn't know what about when I what is it. I check and it was cancer. It means that I had from 2007 whole bunch disease, and this is disease was a very danger because Helicobacter pylori. This is Helicobacter pylori can bring to us important and very strong disease like ulcer, like polyps, like cancer. And I won for my life in pre-cancer group. I was, of course, upset and scared. And I looking for around something remedy, help myself. And 2011 autumn, I heard about transfer factor from one lecture. I read in many books, I look many lecture on internet, and one doctor said about transfer factor, and the main that I understood that time, the transfer factor fighting with virus and bacteria in our body, and from Helicobacter pylori 2. I, of course, just now find this is company. This is company doing transfer factor calls for life research and based in state Utah in city Salt Lake City. And I find this company and bought transfer factor. I bought then time only two kind, transfer factor plus and transfer factor 3 factor. I read that it's the same strongest, in my case, factors against bacteria and against virus. And in half year, maybe half, maybe 7 month, 7 month, maybe a little bit less, I notice that I start already sick more seldom. Period between my sickness, flu, start longer, and period flu start short. Sometimes it's only 1 day. And but my symptoms with stomach was not good. And summertime 2012 already, after I changed doctor and I go another doctor, and he suggests me again treatment antibiotic, and I again doing it. But I understood already and I reading about it that the main for me was that I doing this treatment, take antibiotic, but I took all time transfer factor too. And you know what kind of effect was? I didn't notice I didn't notice side effect like last time. I had energy, I had good mood, I not wasn't sick, no flu, nothing, and was very easy. I was afraid, but it was very easy. And when I finished take antibiotic, I waited 1 month, and after 1 month, I go to a lab and check again, and waiting again some period, and then I go to doctor when was already my results was ready, and results show that I have no more Helicobacter pylori, and my hormone gastrin, it was high level too. Usually hormone gastrin, um, not good because if high level, because it's pre-cancer situation usually, because it's possible you have in your pancreas carcinoma. Uh, and my level was 900, but normal 100. And after check, after this treatment, I had already 351. And doctor congratulate me and tell me that I already no cancer, no pre-cancer group, and I'm free from Helicobacter pylori. It was very huge events for me, and I mm, thinking about it very much. And I tell you, and I read about it too, that it transfer factor, it's not kill virus, but transfer factor doing our immune system so strong that immune system not let go inside us any infection and any disease. It's what in my gladness, and I want to share with you about it. And I want to tell you, pay attention from transfer factor. If you have questions to me, I give after this video my telephone number, my email address, and you can call me and ask me, and I tell you more and more about transfer factor, because this is my, I don't know how to say, best friend. It saved my life. Bye bye.